think you're already late.
I know. Is your dad coming tonight?
I don't know. He's going to put me for another medical checkup.
What's wrong with that?
I can't do this anymore.
Everything will be fine. All right, I have to go. Please go to the doctor, the one your dad recommends. I promise this will be the last one. As I see I'll be having a rough day again, will you do me a favor?
You want me to go to Popal's wife?
That's right. See, women can convince people. Please check with him and we'll talk about it tonight. Be nice to them.
Look for yourself.
Hey, mister. How much this costs?
500.
500. This one?
350.
And this one?
250.
250? That's much more than other silver.
Well, if my flowers are too expensive for you, why don't you buy from someone else?
No. I like this. I'll take it.
All right, sure.
Yum.
Najib.
What's up? How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Looking angry. What happened?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay.
So what brings you here?
As always, looking for some fresh flowers for my mom.
Okay, you know what? I've got something very special for you.
Okay, let's go.
Please allow me to clean your car.
No,
Please.
don't touch my car.
Please. Please allow me to clean it.
How much?
Anything.
You guys always say this, then ask for a lot.
I don't.
Then all right, clean it.
I can't take this anymore.
I got it. What happened at the hospital?
Negative this time. It's confirmed. I can't believe this.
Alright, no more hospitals. And Popal's wife?
They don't see us fit for the job. That's not fair. How come they judge us? I wanted to slap her on the face.
This is fine in this country. People judge people. That's very normal here, Sarah. Now, we don't need to lose hope, okay? Do you remember Asim's family when we visited them last year? They were talking about an average couple.
We are not going to go to Herat for this.
We need to look for a family that sees us better, that things will work for them. Also, not only us. If we keep looking for the so-called upper-class families, they will always keep you down. Once a shopkeeper told me that when we grow older, we become less attractive to our women. I don't know how much he was right about that, but now I feel the same way.
That's not funny.
Why are you robbing me, huh? What do you do with all these flowers? Please don't tell me that you're in love, for God's sake. Alright, listen. I don't want to see you here again. Ever. Alright? Please don't do this. It's not good.
How many planets are there in our solar system? Omid?
9, Plato included, otherwise 8, ma'am.
And how many solar systems are there in our Milky Way galaxy?
Many?
Excellent.
Son, do you wanna have? Do you wanna have some? Give me 2.
Please give me, I'm hungry, please. Please.
Go away, man.
I'm hungry, please.
Don't disturb me. Leave me alone. Go away.
So the Heratis, why they denied us to adopt their child again?
They found a better couple.
Oh.
Darling, we'll have a child. Okay, I'll make that happen. Just trust me, okay? Do you trust me?
Yes, of course I do. Anyway, how was your day?
You know that kid I told you about?
Yeah?
He doesn't talk. Gets on my nerves. 1 flower a day, every day. Doesn't make any sense.
Have you spoken to him?
I tried.
And?
Well, nothing. But if he shows up tomorrow, I'll make him talk.
Don't be too hard on him. He's just a kid. Besides, it's just one flower.
Well, I won't. I'm not concerned about flowers, but what he does with it interests me. Tell me what's on your mind.
Nothing.
Here you go.
Thanks.
No problem.
You look good.
Not bad.
Yeah.
End of month, my salary.
Oh yeah, I got your salary. Here. Thank you. So, any news about the school?
Need to save more money.
I told you I could cover that for you.
Thank you.
Just keep that in mind, please, will ya? Hey, you still steal flowers? I mean, you'll get caught if you're not careful.
I have decided to pay him.
How? Now don't tell me you're gonna pay him with the money you earn.
Of course I will.
Listen, about the school, I wish you could just accept my help.
I won't accept anything until I have something to return.
You're a tough boy. Anyway, I gotta go.
Did you get your permit to shoot inside the presidential palace?
Yeah, and I'm meeting the president.
Cool. Tell him I said hi.
Sure, I will. Bye.
Bye.
Kabir,
Hey Qiyam,
how are you?
I'm fine.
You came early today, huh?
I feel bored, so I come early.
And how's the sun treating you?
It's too cold, isn't it?
Of course it should be.
A lot is going on. How you see the future? What do you think? What's gonna happen?
Things are gonna be fine. Yeah. But it will be too late for us to realize that children are the rock of our society. They are the foundation. And if we don't care for them from now, there is no future for us. There will be no future.
Yeah, it's true. By the way, did you see the kid?
No, he didn't show up today.
There you go. He's coming.
Really? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do something
Okay.
today. I warned you not to steal. Why are you stealing? What are you doing with these flowers, huh? Okay, tell me, where are your parents?
I wanna pay you.
Seriously? Are you gonna pay me for the flowers you have stolen?
How much?
What are you trying to pull?
It's not what you think.
Then what it is?
I got paid today, I wanna pay you.
Okay, listen, you don't need to pay me anything, all right? Just tell me what you do with these flowers.
Fine.
Listen, Qadir, will you look after my place?
Don't worry, I got it.
Tell me, whose grave is this?
My mom.
When did it happen?
Long ago.
How?
She was very sick. We couldn't afford treatment.
And where's your father?
He was taken by some strangers. I was there and I haven't seen him since then.
Omid.
Mother, when the oil beauties is right?
Of course, my son. You will.
Father, I like flowers.
Yes, my son. Flowers are the symbol of love.
Father, you promise you will not leave me no matter what.
Son, I will never leave you alone.
No, Father, please, no.
Omid! No! Omid!
Why did you leave me alone?
Son, I promise I will come back.
Father, you lied. Mother, where are you now?
Omid, we will always be with you.
Where are you when I needed the most?
Omid!
I was 9. We were at war with different nations. At that time, we didn't know why we were at war. In fact, I still don't know. My father was a soldier. Joining the military was an obligation back then, and he died in battlefield. The opposition took over our lands. They burnt everything. And they took all the women to the camp. They raped them and they hanged them to death. We were hiding in a cave with an old man. He was protecting us. We were 18 kids. 7 died due to the sicknesses they had. And then we all were brought to the northern border, where we worked for so long. See, now you can imagine why I sell flowers. They are the only spirit left in our land. That's peaceful. And that's what every individual in our country needs to spare his feelings with. We need to live with what we have got left. See, I know what's been done to us can't be healed. But if we choose to live in the past, we will be nothing but a dark history for the coming people. And we won't be able to give anything to our children except what we have been given. That's a painful memory. As one of the writers said, once you lose, you start to realize how important they were. Everything will be fine.
We are eccentric living species, and we betray the laws of nature, the prides we all claim for, and the honors we fought for. And that will destroy us all to wreckage for the mere fact that we humans, as long as we stay, perished. Because family was all that mattered. Parents were guardians, and up till now, but not to the smallest amount of concern. The overstated notion of killing is always associated with catastrophe. That's not theatrical, and that may not need a vigilant hero to fix, nor an outlaw, but a peaceful population tied by a true unity called a nation free from self-interest or bias or deception in compliance with established standards or rules. And not stories to be told, because it's simply a painful piece of information that once you lose, you start to realize how important they were. That once you lose, you start to realize how important they were.
I know I'm an orphan child. I know I'm a poor boy. I know I'm an orphan child. I know I'm a mystery. No one is here to feed me. No one is here to guide me. Father, where is my father? Oh, future, where is my future? Oh, mother, where is my mom? And why I am the flower of